Hi guys, today we will be demonstrating the follow me function on the Vivitar Aeroview app. Firstly, I'm checking the GPS, making sure everything is properly calibrated, and it says GPS is accurate, as you can see on the screen on your right side. Let's ready for takeoff. Alright, takeoff. We are airborne, guys. So let's let it hover a little bit. Let's make sure it is stable. As you can see, it is pretty stable. I do not have a lot of wind today, so that's good. And I am using my app, as you can see, from my mobile phone. All right, let's get ready to push the button. Oh Lord, what is going on? I pushed the follow me function and it just went the opposite direction. This is something else. All right, let's try to reset and try it again one more time. Take off. Oh no, it just went straight to the wall when I hit the follow me function, as you can see. Wow, this is funny. To this drone's defense, guys, I tried it earlier and it did follow me for about less than a minute. So let me try again. Now I'm just trying to fly to make sure that it flies normally using the app. As you can see, it is pretty much okay. Yeah, it's stable. So normally it should follow me. Oh no. I am using my app. Oh Lord. This app needs to be, I don't know, maybe the app needs calibration from Vivitar Aero or from Vivitar. Now I pushed the follow me and it didn't move, but when I moved towards the drone is moving away. As you can see from the layover, I am struggling right now to use the return to home icon so that it should fly back to where I took off, but it's not responding. Wow. Yeah, it's not responding. It's just hovering, and when I move towards it, it moves away from me. So it kind of is malfunctioning. Wow, what I'll do is I'll just try to land it. It's not landing. And like I said, I'm using the Vivitar Aeroview app. This is something else. So guys, this is the third try after I actually did successfully have it follow me, but it was very briefly, so I decided to make a video of it and now it's not working. See, it's just moving away from me. Land, no. Return to home, no. Yep, I keep trying. To this drone's defense, when I'm using the remote control, it works perfectly. It flies very well. I actually love this drone, but I am seeing some other colors right now that it's showing me. Trying to lift it up, as you can see, using the app, trying to get it to go up. No way. I just had to crash land it. Okay guys, leave your comments below. Please subscribe. Let me know what you think. If there's anyone who has successfully done this and has it on video, please post so we can see. I'll try again later. Thank you. Please subscribe.